Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Do's English. I'm Jessica.
And I'm James. We're so happy you're here with us today.
Today's topic is very useful and very fun: how to order food in English at a restaurant.
Yes, this is real English conversation. You can use these phrases in real life.
So if you feel nervous at a restaurant, don't worry. We are here to help you step by step.
Exactly. And before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this podcast with your friends.
All right, let's begin. Get ready to listen, repeat, and practice.
Okay, imagine this. You walk into a restaurant.
You sit down. A waiter comes to you and says hello.
So, what can you say first?
First, let's learn a very common sentence. Can I see the menu, please?
Yes, very important. Listen again. Can I see the menu, please?
Now you say it.
Good job. Say it one more time.
Can I see the menu, please?
Perfect. You're doing great already.
Now, sometimes the waiter may ask you a question first.
Yes, they may say, "Are you ready to order?"
If you are ready, you can say, "Yes, I'm ready."
Simple and clear. Listen again. Yes, I'm ready.
Now you repeat.
Great job.
But what if you are not ready?
Good question. You can say, "Can I have a few minutes, please?"
That means you need more time.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. Can I have a few minutes, please?
Nice. Say it again slowly. Can I have a few minutes, please?
Excellent. You're improving already.
Now, let's imagine you have the menu.
You look at it, but you don't know what to choose.
That happens a lot.
So you can ask, "What do you recommend?"
This means, what do you think is good?
Listen again. What do you recommend?
Now you say it.
Very good.
Another useful question is, what is the special today?
The special is the best dish of the day.
Repeat after me. What is the special today?
Awesome. Keep going.
Now let's do a quick practice together.
Yes. Listen first.
Waiter, are you ready to order?
Customer, can I have a few minutes, please?
Waiter, of course.
Customer, what do you recommend?
Great. Now it's your turn. Say the customer's lines.
Try it out loud. Don't be shy.
Good job. Speaking out loud is very important.
Yes, even if you make mistakes, it's okay.
Mistakes help you learn.
Now, let's move to the next step.
You are ready to order your food.
This is the most exciting part.
Yes, and here is a very useful sentence. I would like.
This is polite and very common.
For example, I would like a bowl of soup, please.
Nice and simple.
Listen again. I would like a bowl of soup, please.
Now you repeat.
Great job.
Another way to say it is, can I have?
For example, can I have a sandwich, please?
Listen again. Can I have a sandwich, please?
Your turn.
Excellent.
Both are correct. I would like and can I have.
Yes, both are polite and friendly.
And don't forget the magic word.
Please.
Always say please.
It makes your English sound kind and respectful.
Now let's practice together again.
Listen first.
I would like a bowl of soup, please.
Can I have a sandwich, please?
Now you say both sentences.
Great job. You're doing amazing.
All right, let's continue.
Now let's talk about drinks.
Yes, when you order a drink, you can say, can I have a glass of water?
Very common and very useful.
Listen again. Can I have a glass of water?
Now you repeat.
Perfect.
Or you can say, I would like a cup of tea.
Repeat after me. I would like a cup of tea.
Nice. That sounds natural.
Now let's do a short, real conversation.
Yes, listen carefully.
Waiter, are you ready to order?
Customer, yes, I'm ready.
Customer, I would like a bowl of soup, please.
Customer, and can I have a glass of water?
Very good. Now you try. Say the customer's lines.
Take your time. Good job. Keep practicing.
You are learning real English conversation.
and you're getting more confident step by step.
All right, let's keep going. Now imagine you are looking at the menu, but you have some questions about the food.
Yes, this is very common. Maybe you don't know the ingredients.
Or maybe you want to check the taste.
So here is a very useful question. Is this dish spicy?
Listen again. Is this dish spicy?
Now you repeat.
Great job.
This question helps you understand the flavor.
Yes, for example, some people don't like spicy food.
Exactly, so they can ask before ordering.
Another useful question is, does this have cheese?
Very important if you don't like cheese or can't eat it. Listen again. Does this have cheese?
Now you say it. Perfect.
You can change the word cheese to anything.
Yes, for example, does this have eggs? Does this have nuts?
Very good examples. Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. Is this dish spicy?
Does this have cheese?
Awesome. Say them one more time.
You're doing really well.
Now let's make it more real.
Yes, a short conversation. Listen first.
Customer, excuse me, is this dish spicy?
Waiter. Yes, it is a little spicy.
Customer, okay, thank you.
Now you try saying the customer's lines.
Go ahead.
Nice. That sounded great.
Now let's learn another helpful sentence.
Sometimes you want to ask about the price.
Yes, that's important. You can say, how much is this?
Simple and easy.
Listen again. How much is this?
Now you repeat. Good job.
Or you can be more specific. For example, how much is the pasta?
Repeat after me. How much is the pasta?
Excellent.
Now let's practice a quick dialogue.
Listen carefully.
Customer. How much is the pasta?
Waiter, it's $10.
Customer. Okay, thank you.
Now you try.
Speak out loud.
Great work.
Now let's move to something fun. Extra food.
Yes, the waiter may ask you, would you like any appetizers?
An appetizer is a small dish before your main meal.
Like soup, salad, or bread. Listen again. Would you like any appetizers?
Now you repeat. Perfect.
If you want something, you can say, yes, I would like some soup, please.
Or if you don't want it, no, thank you.
Simple and polite.
Now, another question the waiter may ask, do you want some dessert?
Dessert is something sweet at the end, like cake, ice cream, or fruit. Repeat after me. Do you want some dessert?
Great.
Now your answer can be, yes, I'd like some ice cream.
Or, no, thank you.
Let's practice both.
Yes, I'd like some ice cream.
No, thank you.
Your turn.
Awesome.
Now let's do a longer conversation.
Yes, listen first.
Waiter, would you like any appetizers?
Customer, yes, I would like some soup, please.
Waiter, and do you want some dessert later?
Customer, no, thank you.
Very good.
Now you try the customer's lines.
Speak clearly.
Great job.
You're getting more confident.
Yes, you can now ask questions and answer politely.
That's a big step.
Now, one more useful sentence.
Sometimes you are not ready to decide.
So you can say again, can I have a few more minutes, please?
This is very helpful.
Repeat after me. Can I have a few more minutes, please?
Nice.
Say it one more time.
Perfect.
You're doing amazing.
Yes, really amazing.
Now imagine your food arrives at your table.
Yes, this is a happy moment.
The waiter may say, "Here you go."
Or, enjoy your meal.
These are friendly phrases.
And what do you say?
You can say, "Thank you."
Simple and polite.
Or you can say, "Thanks, it looks great."
Listen again. Thanks, it looks great.
Now you repeat. Perfect.
You can also say something nice about the food.
Yes, for example, it smells really good.
Or, I'm excited to eat.
Repeat after me. It smells really good.
I'm excited to eat.
Great job.
Now let's do a quick practice.
Listen first. Waiter, here you go.
Customer, thank you. It looks great.
Now you try.
Say it out loud.
Nice. That sounded natural.
Now you start eating.
And maybe you want to talk about the food.
Yes, you can say, this is really good.
Or, I like this a lot.
Listen again. This is really good.
Now you repeat. Excellent.
These are simple but powerful sentences.
They help you speak naturally.
Now, what if something is wrong?
Good question.
Maybe the food is cold?
Or too spicy.
In that case, be polite.
You can say, excuse me, this is cold.
Or, sorry, this is too spicy for me.
Listen again. Excuse me, this is cold.
Sorry, this is too spicy for me.
Now you repeat both. Great job. Always speak calmly and politely.
Yes, that's very important.
Now let's practice a small conversation.
Listen carefully.
Customer, excuse me, this is cold.
Waiter, oh, I'm sorry, I will fix it.
Customer, thank you.
Now you try the customer's lines.
Go ahead. Nice work. Now sometimes you need something extra.
Yes, like water or a napkin.
You can say, can I have some more water, please?
Or, could I get a napkin?
Listen again. Can I have some more water, please?
Could I get a napkin?
Now you repeat. Perfect.
These sentences are very useful.
You can use them anytime.
Now, let's practice again.
Listen first.
Customer, can I have some more water, please?
Waiter, of course.
Customer, thank you.
Now your turn.
Speak clearly.
Great job.
You're doing really well.
Yes, now you can speak during the meal too.
That's a big improvement.
You're not just ordering.
You're having a real conversation.
And that is the goal.
Now, let's move to the final part of the restaurant experience.
Yes, paying the bill.
Now you are finished eating.
The food was good. You feel happy.
So what do you say next?
You can say, can I get the check, please?
This is American English.
Yes, in American restaurants, we say check.
Listen again. Can I get the check, please?
Now you repeat.
Great job.
You can also say, can I have the check, please?
Both are correct.
Now, when the waiter brings the check,
You should look at it.
yes, check if everything is correct.
If something is wrong, you can say, excuse me, I didn't order this.
Listen again. Excuse me, I didn't order this.
Now you repeat.
Excellent.
Or you can say, this is not my drink.
Very clear and polite.
Repeat after me. This is not my drink.
Nice work.
If everything is okay, you can say, everything looks good.
Simple and friendly.
Now let's talk about payment.
Yes, you can pay by cash or card.
If you want to pay by card, you can say, can I pay by card?
Or, do you take credit cards?
Listen again. Can I pay by card?
Do you take credit cards?
Now you repeat.
Great job.
If you pay with cash, you can ask, do you have change?
That means you need smaller money back.
Repeat after me. Do you have change?
Perfect.
Now let's talk about something important in many restaurants.
Yes, a tip.
A tip is extra money for good service.
You can say, I'd like to leave a tip.
Repeat after me. I'd like to leave a tip.
Nice.
Now let's do a full conversation.
Yes, listen carefully.
Customer, can I get the check, please?
Waiter, Sure, here it is.
Customer, everything looks good.
Customer, can I pay by card?
Very good.
Now you try the customer's lines.
Speak slowly.
Great job. You're doing amazing.
Now, before we finish, let's quickly review.
Yes, repeat after us.
Can I see the menu, please?
I would like a bowl of soup, please.
Is this dish spicy?
Can I have some water, please?
Can I get the check, please?
Excellent.
You just learned how to order food,
Ask questions
speak during the meal.
and pay at the end.
That's a complete restaurant conversation.
And you did it step by step.
We're really proud of you.
Yes, keep practicing every day.
Now we have a fun question for you.
Tell us in the comments.
What is your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
Maybe pizza? Maybe rice and chicken.
Or something sweet?
Write your answer in English.
Even one sentence is okay.
Yes, don't be shy.
And if you enjoyed this episode,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share Do's English.
we're here to help you speak English with confidence.
Keep listening,
Keep practicing.
keep improving every day.
Thanks for spending time with us.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.